Hey everyone! In today's video, Maria is showing you how to design the interior of your ebook using Canva quickly and easily. If you want your ebook to look professional and engaging, the layout matters just as much as the content. Maria walk you through how to format your pages, add text and visuals, and make everything look polished without needing any design experience. Whether you're creating a guide, a workbook, or a digital product to sell, Canva makes it simple. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a beautifully designed ebook interior ready to go. So let's jump in and start creating.
Alright, so now we are here in Canva, and what we're going to do is there are two ways that you can do that. You can go here on the search bar and just type ebook, just like that, and then you will see here different kinds of templates that you can use for your ebook, right? You can choose any one of this, and as you see guys, if you don't see any crown, that means that that is free to use. But if you see that there is a crown, that means that you need to have a pro account. So if you don't have a pro account, there are a lot of nice and cute cover here for your ebook that you can choose from, or you can create a blank and design for yourself. Or the other way is you can customize and then type the size of the ebook that you want. Alright, so in this ebook I'm going to customize it like 8.5, okay, not pixel. I'm gonna change this to inches. Okay, 8.5 here by 11, and let's create a design. All right, so now here is our first page. All right, so just type the ebook pages, and then you will see here some of your ebook that you can use, and then you can customize it. Now it's time for me to make a decision on which one. Content creation for beginners books. All right, so here I think I'm going to choose this one, content creation for beginners. Choose this one, and you can apply all of these 14 pages for your ebook. You can delete it if you don't need it, or you can add other pages into this 14 pages that you got. Okay, so I'm going to apply all the pages. So this is the page 1. There you go. So here you can change this if you want to. So I'm gonna use this one instead, and I'm gonna change this one, creation for beginners. Okay, just change the title. You can make this a little bit like shorter than that. You can adjust it. Okay, I'm going to adjust this one. You can change the font if you want to, guys. So I'll just make this a little bit. Okay, and then I'm gonna change my name here. Just like that. So I think I don't need this. Okay, I might this one step by step guide. All right. So I'm just gonna move this here, make sure it is in the middle. You see the red line in the middle, guys, that is our landmark. And then I'm going to put my picture here. So I'm going to upload, and if you don't have your picture, then go ahead, guys, go to a file, upload the files, and upload the pictures that you want to put in there. So I'm gonna change that picture. Okay, I'm gonna put this picture over here instead. I'm gonna delete this one, and then like I've told you, if you don't have a pro account, you cannot use the background remover, but you can also go to other sites that you can use the free background remover, upload it, and then upload it to Canva. So I'm gonna remove the background. Okay, and then I'm going to you can change the color of this. Okay, so let's change the color here like this. Okay, I want to add some frame. Okay, let's get some frames here, and then I want to add, let's get some frame. Okay, maybe this one. I'm just gonna drag one and put this one over here, and then I'm going to add that picture here on the inside of the frame, just like that. Here is the table of contents. I'm not liking this, but you can change the pages of your ebook even though you downloaded those 14 pages. So, okay, so let's go back to design again, guys, and I'm gonna show you how you can change this even though it is inside of one ebook that you just downloaded. I can change that to other page, like hold on. Okay, so let's say I want this page in here, so I'm just gonna add this one over here. So yeah, so instead of this is gonna be my hello page, the author. So I'm gonna put my pictures here. Okay, there you go. So this is me, and then I say hello, and then here, guys, is your introduction. Okay, I'm not gonna do this here during the recording. I'm just showing you guys that now do your introduction here, and then change the name. Alright, so here's my name, and then your website if you don't have a website, and then you can put the link of your YouTube channel. To do that, guys, I'm going to my YouTube channel. I'm just gonna copy the link for my channel, and then I'm going back to Canva. Here is my YouTube channel, and then after that, if you want to link your channel into this, you see these three dots, you're gonna click this one, and then we're going to click link, and then we're going to put here the link of your channel, which is done. All right, there you go. So when they click this one like this, you will see it will goes into your channel. All right, so I'm just showing you guys that you can do that if you don't have a website. You want to link into that, like your website, your channel, or other social media platform, you can just link it in here. Alright, so after that, guys, just keep on editing each page, and if you don't need it, you can just delete it, or you can add other page if you want to. Let's say here at the back you want to add some notes, you can just click this one and maybe add a checklist here, so you have a checklist for your content, that where do you want to post, you know, how many times are you going to post for a week. You can just put a check here, and if you want to add other notes here, like for example, okay, your notes, click this one, and if you want to add other pages, calendar, so you can also do that, but that's too many, you know, too many pages. So here we have a checklist for the month. We have your notes, and then if you want to add a weekly planner, you can add this one also if you want to. So it's all up to you guys. And then for the last, maybe I can add a thank you for, you know, getting my ebook and my contact information here. And then I'm just gonna upload a picture here. Okay, maybe this one, there you go. And then I'm going to make this a little bit smaller, and then I can just put here my contact and put your website here. Yeah, and then after you finish all of this, what you're gonna do here is to go share and download it into a PDF standard. Okay, so yeah, that's all for today's, guys, for this video tutorial. That's how I'm going to do the rest of the work for the interior of my ebook, so that I can finish this, my very first ebook. So if you have any questions, guys, just let me know. And for those who are new to my channel, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and most importantly, subscribe. Click that notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload a video every week. For all my subscribers, thank you so much for heading to 1K. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.